everybody, welcome to Cooking with the Claw. Bobby Claw here, just checking in. Hope you're having a great day and a great week. I have a really great surprise for you guys today. This is a slow cooker Cuban Mojo Pork loin. Spoiler alert, it's phenomenal. Because I gotta tell you, this one is one for the books. So sit back, pull up a chair, and get ready. Cooking with the Claw starts now.
This puts me against the law. When you're cooking with the Claw.
Okay, so here's our ingredients for this. Our pork loin, of course, first. And this is about a little over 5 pounds of pork. We have organic orange juice. You can use any kind of orange juice you want. We're gonna use a half a cup. We have canola oil. We're gonna have red chili pepper flakes. We're gonna have a 1/4 of a cup of lime juice, oregano, black pepper, Himalayan salt, or you can use sea salt. We're gonna have some ground cumin, as well as bay leaf, and then we're also gonna have 5 cloves of garlic.
Okay, so first up, let's get right down to it.
We're gonna season these, just lightly coating with salt and pepper, just right onto the pork, just like that, and let's do the other side. Salt and pepper. That's good. We got that all set. Okay, so let's fire up this pan. We're gonna go ahead and we're gonna sear this pork loin before we put it into the crock pot. Let's turn on the pan.
Fire it up, dude.
I'm just gonna let that get warmed up and then we'll throw it on. You'll also need you can do any kind of a pan or pot you want. We're just gonna go ahead and we're gonna sear this. We're gonna kind of brown, get kind of the oil on there. We're gonna brown all the sides of this pork loin before we put it into the crock pot. So this is the first step in the recipe. Okay, so we're not cooking this all the way right now. All we're wanting to do is just brown it. Just kind of sear it, really, mainly. This is gonna give it some nice texture. The first ingredient we're gonna put in is our half a cup of orange juice. Just put it right into the crock pot. And then next up, we have our 1/4 of a cup of lime juice. You can buy that in the store, just pre-made, pre-squeezed, right there. We're gonna put 2 bay leaves right into the mix. And then we have our seasoning mix, and this is a teaspoon of red chili flakes, a tablespoon of oregano, and a tablespoon of cumin. Just add it straight in there. And then what you're going to want to do is just mix this all together really good. This is a recipe Caroline found. Okay, oh, and one more thing. We have our garlic. I minced it up really fine. This is 5 cloves of garlic. We're going to put that right into the mix. Just like so. You gotta have garlic, right? Garlic is everything. Okay, then what else do you want?
Garlic.
This is going to be nice. Pull this off and put it into our crock pot. Now what we do with the warm pork that's been browning off is get it mixed in these juices. Because this is what's going to season it to make it marinate as it cooks. Slow cooks for 8 hours. What else do you guys want? I'm serious. This is like intense, right? I mean, this is the most insane pork. It's going to be really, really good. So excited. Okay, so let's get the lid on this. That was pretty easy, right? Okay,
Yeah,
good.
totally.
Okay, I'm gonna set this on 8 hours for low. I'll see you in 8 hours. And the great thing about it, it's really versatile. You can use it like in anything. You can use it in eggs. You can make a quesadilla with it, tacos, or make a Cubano sandwich, a Cuban sandwich. It would go great with that. I'm telling you right now, this is a versatile and amazing protein recipe for a pork loin. So we have 4.5 hours left on this, on slow cooking on the crock pot. But I have to take a look. The smell is killing me. It's so good. I just can't even tell you right now. Where do we get a load of this? Oh my gosh. Look at this. Oh man. That smell just hits you like smack in the face. Whoops. Oh, it's already falling apart. Just, oh, so tender. Yes. Okay, I want to get the lid back on right away. But I had to take a look. Look at that. Oh man. So good. Okay, so I just took the lid off and it's looking really good. We're still on low here. Oh my gosh, it smells amazing, looks so good. Let's put it back in for about another 30 minutes. Right here on low. And we'll finish it up. Okay, everybody, the moment of truth. Let's take a look. Oh. The smell, I just can't even tell you. Look at this piece. This is just asking for it. Be still my heart. That might be one of the best things I've ever tasted. I'm being honest. Get some of that juice. So now on the juice, the leftover that's remaining, you can thicken it by adding some cornstarch to it. I'm not gonna do that because I like it just the way it is. Look at this. Just look how juicy that is. Oh my gosh, slow roasted for over 7 hours. It's so good, it's so good. There's a lot you can do with it. I think one of the dishes I'm gonna make with this, and maybe I'll feature it on a later episode, is make a nice taco with it. You don't even need anything with it. You can serve it with rice or just on its own. I gotta tell you, it's phenomenal. You guys have to try this. In the meantime, I'm just gonna enjoy this, and I gotta dive into this. It's so good. Seriously, it's so much flavor. Oh, just the texture of it. It's beautiful. It's so delightful. Look how nice shredded you can put in quesadillas or tacos. Mix it in your scrambled eggs in the morning. So good. Definitely gotta try it. If you like the video, please be sure and give me a thumbs up, share, subscribe, all those good things. And I'm looking forward to seeing you next time. I gotta tell you, when food is this good, it should really be against the law. And you guys have been cooking with the claw. Hope you have a great day. See you soon. Bye, everybody.